Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great clearance price travel trailer toy hauler value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're looking at a 2010 Heartland North Trail. This is the model number 280BH. This is what we call a side load toy hauler. This is about 32 feet long, double axle. It's got bunks, it's got a slide out. Pretty nice little trailer, and it's a bargain price at $10,880. And of course, I've got two other prices on it too. I'll go over here in a minute. You can see the side slide. The only thing I can pick on it, the front's a little bit faded, not too bad, but just enough to be noticeable. You can see over here though, it's in good shape. Got an outside shower. Stabilizer jacks, of course. Notice the wide track suspension. That means it's gonna tow a lot better. It's not gonna sway much because you got a wider wheelbase. Now the awning will include a new canvas no matter which way you buy it. So don't worry about that. Let's take a look inside. Starting to get a little bit of rain. As we step inside, folks, clean, no smoke, no pet odors. You know, the advantage of a side load toy hauler, because I know a lot of people that are looking for toy haulers basically just need to tow one or two things and need more living space than hauling space, and this is what this one accomplishes. You know, most toy haulers with a rear door, the whole camper's garage space with very little living space, and this is the exact opposite. This is a queen island bed that folds up so you can put your motorcycles or four-wheeler or whatever you want right here. You do have tie down, so you can tie your toys down. And of course, I've got it folded down right now. It's a queen island bed, overhead storage. You got nightstands, plug-ins for cell phone chargers. Very versatile camper. You can use it for a toy hauler on a pretty day. You can have the door down, let some fresh air in. And use it for a bunkhouse to carry the whole family and then some. Be a great hunting camper too, because you can put your four-wheeler in the front and have plenty of beds for you and your buddies to have their own separate bed. So that's also a neat advantage for it as well. In your slide out, you've got your kitchen and your sleeper sofa. You can sleep two up front, two on the sofa. The table booth will sleep two. Got a full-size bed in the back that'll sleep two, then a bunk on top. So you can probably carry about as many people as you want to have in this space right here. And I'll have the weight. I don't have the weight on me, but I'll have it. I'll pull up the factory specs and I'll have the weight in the body of the ad to tell you what this camper weighs. Jensen audio system. It's got a flat screen TV. Pretty cool feature right here. It is a stovetop. Obviously hasn't been used. And it's got a built-in microwave, half-time convection oven. So that's an actual oven and a microwave together. You can cook biscuits in it, cornbread. You can microwave popcorn, whatever you want to do with it. Got a nice little kitchen area, double sink. Here in the back corner, you've got a full-size bed, a top bunk. Got a big refrigerator. Got a rear corner bathroom. Got a sink, RV toilet. Actually got a tub. You can look around the skylight. No water damage, nothing like that. Everything in here is good. I don't see any signs of water or leak damage anywhere in this camper. No wrinkled spots, water stains, anything like that. I like the fact there's 100% no carpet in this thing. So easy to keep clean. Anyway, folks, it's just something for somebody that just needs to haul a four-wheeler, a single motorcycle. If you've got to haul 3 or 4 motorcycles or four-wheelers, this obviously isn't the one for you. But if you are just needing one thing to haul, well, here you go. Now, folks, as all clearance price travel trailers, we have 3 different prices. And the one that's on it is the middle price, and each price has its own advantage, its own features that come with it. So we'll start at the top. which is $11,380. And here's what you get. You get this 2010 North Trail 280 BHS. You get a major systems inspection by our certified RV techs that will be completed after purchase. You also get a 90-day nationwide limited warranty included. On top of that, after it's been inspected by our RV techs, we'll call you, make an appointment to come pick it up. And what you'll do is you'll come down, the RV tech will give you a one-on-one walk-through demonstration. He'll show you how to hook everything up. He'll show you everything works. He'll show you how to do the awning, how to set up at the campground, how to hook it to your vehicle, put your slides out, and all that, and then some. Give you tips, pointers, and tricks, and things like that too. And you know, that's a very nice thing to have. Trust me, especially if this is your first camper. That's included for that $11,380 price, and that's non-negotiable. It's haggle free, folks. I'm actually losing money on this one. You know, we're trying to get all of our travel trailers out of here because we want to concentrate on selling fifth wheels. And I know this is a Toyhauler, but we kind of consider this a travel trailer because it's a side load. But we want to carry all Toyhaulers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. That's what we're getting down to. So we've marked all of our travel trailers and of course destination trailers too. But we've got all of our regular travel trailers and side load Toyhaulers marked down to cost or below. We're just trying to move them, giving somebody a great buy, and look online. This is a $15,000 camper anywhere you go. But anyway, $11,380. You get all of that, plus you get a year of free camping up to which is up to 21 nights total. Up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide. That's included. These are $100 a night campgrounds, folks. These aren't a state park. These are some really nice places, and that's included for that $11,380. Plus, you get a 30-day temp tag. You get a starter kit with all your camping essentials and instructional DVD. That's for $11,380. No extra fees out the door, plus sales tax if you're a Georgia resident. All out-of-state residents will pay your state sales tax rate when you tag and title this camper at your local DMV office in your home state. That's the first option. Option 2 is what I've got it advertised for, and that's $10,880. That includes, of course, the camper and everything else I just mentioned, except the 90-day nationwide limited warranty at that $10,880 is not included. I also have option 3. Option 3 is the lowest price you can buy this for, and that is $10,580. What does that include? It includes the camper, no checkout, no inspection, no walkthrough, no guarantees of any kind, no camping. You know, you get the camper. We had a hook up and go price only. And of course, you know, folks, I say that, but we're more than happy to run power or generator to it and let you go through it yourself, see what works and what doesn't, before you decide if you want to do option 1, 2, or 3. But option 3 is an as-is option, just like we bought it. In fact, you're buying it for at that price, you're buying it for less than we paid for it. And you just hook to your vehicle and go price only. And you do get a 30-day temp tag. You do get a starter kit and instructional DVD, but that's it, folks. That's the $10,580 price. And I'll put a breakdown on the ad of what each price comes with, so you've got something to read. And just let the salesperson know which way you want to go, folks. Each price, each option has an advantage and disadvantage over the other. So just however you want to buy it for, folks. Give us a call. Our phone number is 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Our website to see our entire inventory is parkwayrvcenter.com. We have no extra dock prep fees of any kind. Like I said, folks, we're about as easy and simple of a place and stress-free of a place that you can buy anything, and we've been doing this for 50 years. Over 140 RVs in stock, more arriving daily. And folks, I'm going to tell you, if you're in the market for a travel trailer, I've got the best prices on the internet, hands down, with our clearance prices. Thank you again for watching. Email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. call us 706-965-7929. Nationwide delivery is available. Financing is also available with approved credit and minimum 10% down payment. If you have any questions, call us, email us. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.